Meanwhile, the Coast Guard is not discounting the possibility that faulty maneuver led to the capsize of the motorized bangka. Ria Fernandez tells us more.
The Maritime Casualty Investigation Team of the Philippine now in Ormoc Leyte to determine the real cause of the sudden turnaround of MV Kim Nirvana on Wednesday afternoon, carrying almost 200 people. Faulty maneuver is considered as one of the reasons of the incident.
Kung naririnig nyo yung mga testimonies ng mga nakasurvive, ang lumalabas, mabilis yung pag-atras nila, at nung paabante ay medyo nakabig sa kanan ng mabilis din at nag-capsize.
The boat stability could also possibly cause the capsize. However, with the information PCG received, the water vehicle was new. The weather had no effect as well since based on the residents' testimonies, the place was fair. The issue of the boat being overloaded is also excluded.
Base dun sa record na binigay sa amin, yung actual manifest niya, 173, pero ang capacity niya ay 178. So, may sobra pang 5. That's on top of the allowed na pwede niyang ikarga dun sa bangka na pasahero. So, walang excess passengers and properly manifested siya and plus yung crew. Okay? Doon sa cargo, ang batayan nun ay kung yung waterline ay bumaba dun sa dapat na yung ano niya. Pero so far, wala namang kaming report.
The captain and crew members of the boat who survived the incident are now at the custody of the police. PCG said that after their search and rescue operations, they will immediately go after to those who should be held accountable for the tragedy.
Pagkatapos ng investigasyon, kung mayroong dapat harapin na kaso, well, dapat sampahan ng kaso, ay yun ay mangyayari.
For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.